So how did these end up like this? It fascinates me how much of this that I come across, something that would have cost somebody thousands and thousands to buy and to care for and to store it, and then to end up like this. And what I want to do is kind of have a wander around them today. So here we've got two boats sitting on trailers that have clearly been here for such a long time that nobody's come back for them. And I will give you full disclosure that I know nothing about boats, but these two really caught my eye, and I've got permission from the landowner to be here and to have a good look around these. But to be clear, I'm not buying these, not yet anyway. But I thought it'd be really good to kind of have a good look around these and just really get into what kind of happens here. I mean, I find that abandoned stuff fascinating anyway, and I've never really cared for boats. I've never had an interest in them, but you know, I've been seeing these for the past couple of months, and it's just fascinated me every time I walk past. Like, what went wrong? Money, time, life. And the thing is, these boats, they didn't get abandoned overnight. This would have taken years for this kind of thing to happen. I haven't looked, but I mean, I don't really know how much this boat and trailer would be worth together, but it doesn't look that bad, just from where I'm standing anyway. I mean, the trailer's in good condition, and the boat itself, well, it's super algae and green because it's sat there for so long. I mean, the hull, the body, just everything about it looks, I mean, it looks all there, based on my knowledge, which is which isn't very much when it comes to boats, like I said. Trailer's in really good condition, and there's been an attempt at some point to keep this away from the elements, get a tarpaulin, but even just looking at the strands on this, so this tarpaulin has just been for years and years just been getting shredded with the weather. We've got a wheel clamp on it, so again, that gives you all the signals that you need. Somebody's put a wheel clamp on it, so somebody somewhere has got a key for this because they don't want it to be stolen, but yet it's been left. I suppose the question I'm asking as well is, did these boats belong to the same person? Because it seems quite coincidental that we've got two boats here of similar size, of similar kind of care, that's been taken of them at some point, and now they're both abandoned. So what happened? Life, money, divorce? Has there been tragic circumstances? And the owner's no longer here and nobody knew about these. Who knows? If you've been watching the channel regularly or watching my most recent videos, you'll obviously be aware that this is the kind of thing that I obviously do in this channel. So the channel's called Salvage and Sell, and that's what I do. I salvage things and I hope that I can send on to a better life for while making some profit on it. I'm not buying these because at the current moment they're not for sale. The landowner needs to find out, what's happened to the owner and what their intentions are. So I am hoping eventually to take ownership of these. Don't ask me why, because I don't know what I'll be doing with them. I'm not a sailor, but I do think there'll be some good profit in these, and I just think it'd be really interesting to dig a bit deeper on them and learn, because I'm really interested in learning about boats and stuff like that. But there'll be cash here as well. Let's not kid ourselves on. There's going to be cash here, once we figure out what is going on with these. But if you're watching, do you know anything about boats? Do you know anything about these? Do you know whose boats they are? Let me know.